Hello, it's Tom here on the GCR official YouTube channel with the very latest from Ruddington, where as you can see construction is well underway on the brand new carriage shed. If you want to keep up to date with everything that's happening on the Great Central Railway, don't forget to click like and subscribe and then you'll always be the first to know. We're about 5 weeks into the build now and it's a big day today as a brand new piece of steel is being put in place which will form part of the roof of the shed. Most of this project is actually fully funded now, but we do have a fundraising appeal on the go to raise the last few £1,000s so we can put a roller shutter door on the front of the building and fit it out with electrics. The link will be on the screen if you can make a donation because every pound helps with this project.
A lot has changed since our update in September. Inside the shed, the floor has been prepared for a final layer of polished concrete. That will come up to the level of the railhead, so when the 4 carriages that will live in here are out running trains, the space can be used for events here at the Nottingham Transport Heritage Centre. Meanwhile, the steel uprights have been installed, so you can clearly see the full footprint of the building and how it uses the space between building number 3 on site and the new locomotive running shed. We're using 2 Nottinghamshire contractors for the work, Intelligent Fabrications and Now Build.
I'm Stephen Collishaw from Intelligent Fabrications. So at the minute we're just installing the steel frame, we're about halfway through doing that. Today we've been prefabricating the steels ready to install them in place. The reason we chose to do them here was because in case any sizes altered when we started installing the verticals, I didn't want to prefab everything then redo it again. So we spent all morning getting those ready, and then this afternoon you've seen us lift the first big beam into situ. Took a little bit of manoeuvring because it's quite a tight space, but we got there with it in the end. First new beam for the roof. There's 2 more to go.
Now, before we tell you what's next, here's the latest on the appeal. We've raised £6,500 by the middle of October, leaving £8,500 to find to finish the project. Please consider a donation if you can. The steel work is now 50% complete for the new carriage shed, which means soon the walls will start to appear.
Straight after the steel work, the block work will all go into place around the sides, the roofing will go on, and then the concrete pad will be going down after that.